Hey guys, I'm Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the best lawn service for weed control. You'll find the links to the products in the description, and you can use the links to check the latest prices and other user reviews. Make sure to watch until the end to know our final verdict on which lawn service for weed control is the best. Lawn Doctor. The Lawn Doctor offers 3 categories of services. The first one is lawn care, and under this category, they offer lawn fertilization, seeding and aeration, trees and shrub care. The second category is outdoor and pest control. Under this umbrella, they offer mosquito control, tick control, and special event spray. The last category is the annual program, which embodies the mosquito control plan, tick control plan, and fertilization and weed plan. Lawn Doctor promises to meet or exceed their customers' expectations. Thus, they offer the Lawn Doctor guarantee that covers all of the lawn care services offered, and which means that if you're not satisfied with the services, then they will strive to make things right. The service provider will first create a lawn service plan for your lawn and detail what you should expect with each treatment. The service provider uses high-quality materials and lawn care equipment to care for your turf. Once the job is done on your lawn, you'll have to provide feedback, and if the results are not satisfactory, they will rectify it. Pros: uses the best quality material and equipment, covers a wide variety of services, curates a service plan that matches your lawn's needs. Sunday, best DIY lawn care. Sunday is very thorough when it comes to lawn care and will collect the soil on your lawn to test for deficiencies. They will then tailor-make and ship products that you can use to improve and care for your lawn. Notable is that the ingredients used to make the lawn care products are safe for the environment, pets, and people. So while Sunday will not send a professional to care for your lawn, they do deliver lawn care kits annually that you can use to cater to your lawn. They have different packages, each with a different price. The cheapest package goes for $20, while the most expensive package goes for $119 and involves the creation of a custom lawn care plan. Pros: lawn owners will receive custom lawn care products annually. The lawn care kits are safe for the environment, kids, and pets, and the packages are fairly priced. Cons: Sunday does not send out professionals to care for the lawn. Weedman. While Weedman advertises itself as a pest control entity, they actually offer a variety of services, ranging from fertilization to lawn disease control and soil pH control, among others. Weedman service providers are known to offer the best pest control services and will put up barriers to discourage pests from getting into your home. They'll treat all of your areas around your home that are likely to accommodate pests. For example, they will apply treatment in the landscape beds and window wells, among other places. Their services can be categorized into 3, in which are lawn care services, mosquito control services, and perimeter pest services. Weedman has been around for over 45 years and has branches in 48 states, which means that their services are reliable. Pros: the service provider is available in different states, thus reliable. Offers pest control, lawn care, and fertilization. Cons: they don't have standard prices, thus you must request a quote. TruGreen. TruGreen is dedicated to ensuring you retain a healthy and green lawn all year round. So for the best results, a lawn analysis will be done, and a professional will be sent to your home for the job. After treatment, other impromptu visits will follow to ensure that your lawn is thriving and to revisit areas that are not performing as expected. The visits are usually done every 4 to 6 weeks. And the best of it all is that you will also be given tips on how to care for your lawn before the next visit. The service provider offers 3 plans. The first one is True Health, which offers weed control, fertilization, and tailored lawn treatment. The second plan is the True Complete, that comes with additional aeration and overseeding service. And the True Signature, that comes with an additional tree and shrub care service. Pros: lawns are constantly monitored by professionals. The more you pay, the more value you get from the plans. Lawn analysis is done before treatment. From the list, our top pick is the TruGreen Lawn Service, because they follow up to ensure that your lawn is thriving and provide customer lawn care services. What's your favorite lawn service for weed control and why? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which video you'd like to see next from us.